Hey, what's up guys, my name is Robe and today I'm gonna be walking you through on how to play PEDDI by BENSOUL. This one is also a request made by one of you, so if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, you can always feel free to let me know on the comment area. Subscribe to the channel if you like these kind of tutorials, and if you don't want to miss out on any future tutorials, make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified wherever I upload a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps with the ranking of these videos on YouTube, and I will appreciate if you did so. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. Well, so this song is in the key of F, and the progression is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So it alternates between that progression. So 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 1. So that's the progression for the song, and the full song is follows that progression. So I'm gonna show you how to hold the chords. The first chord is an F major chord. The key of the song is F. So for the F major chord, I am using my pointer finger, barring the first fret with my pointer finger, and then with my middle finger I am playing the third string on the second fret, and then with my ring finger, string number 5 on the third fret, and string number 4 on the third fret with my small finger. So that's F major chord, the bar chord form. So you can either hold it a full bar chord, or you can break the bar chord and maintain the fingering, but this time round you playing the first two strings with your pointer finger. So that's F major chord. The chord that follows is a minor chord, which is a G minor chord. So for the G minor chord, I am barring with my first pointer finger on the third fret, barring string 1 to 6, and then with my ring finger, string number 5, string number 5 on this is the 5th fret, and with my small finger, string number 4 on the 5th fret too. So that's minor chord there. So that's minor G minor chord. And then the chord that follows is an A sharp major chord. So for the A sharp major chord, I am pressing this 5th fret on the first fret, 5th string on the first fret with my pointer finger, and then my ring finger, I am barring string number 1, string number 2, 3, and 4 on the third fret. So that's A sharp major chord. And then the chord that follows is a C major chord. So maintain this, how you hold the A sharp major chord. You just slide it so that your pointer finger is now on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then and then my ring finger is on is on the 5th fret. So you barring the 5th fret, string number 2, 3, and 4. So that's C sharp, not C major chord. And after that chord is another minor chord, which is now the 6th chord. So this minor chord, this is D minor chord. So D minor chord, I am barring string number 1 to 5 on the 5th fret with my pointer finger, string number 2 on the 6th fret with my middle finger, string number 4 on the 7th fret with my ring finger, and string number 3 on the 7th fret with my small finger. So this D minor chord. So that's the first kind of chords or progression. And then the second one, you will play F, G minor chord, A sharp major chord, C major chord, and then instead of going to the D minor chord, you go back to F chord. So you can look at it as a a question and answer. So the question is 1 1 2, and then you go back. I hope, or you can just don't use that question and answer. It's gonna confuse you. Well, that's it. Those are the chords, and that's how you play the whole full song. Yeah, and that's the tutorial. So subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on future tutorials. And if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, let me know at the comments area. And yeah, so guys, let's see each other next tutorial. Ciao.